Good morning guys, in front of me is Nokia C12 and let me show you how to activate developer options. So at first, open the settings, then scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. Go a bit lower and you will see build number. All you have to do now is to tap on it 7 times, then draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you are a developer. So smoothly go back, as from now on you will be able to find developer options under System. Smoothly tap on it to open, use everything you need, and then once you want to turn it off, unmark the top button, and as you can see, it's no longer accessible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.